Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to decorate the Christmas tree. I have everything here, the bins with the decorations, and I am wearing my Christmassy sweater. It is from Iowa Farm Sanctuary. So let's get decorating. We have a good movie going, and I have a really good blend going on the diffuser that I'll show you. It's a gingerbread cookie, like a candle dupe, and it smells so cozy. So it has clove, cinnamon bark, ginger, and vanilla. And it has 4 drops of vanilla, 2 of ginger, 3 of cinnamon bark, and 2 of clove. And it smells so good. So I have that going in all the diffusers in the house. And let's get decorating. Take 2 of decorating the Christmas tree. Yesterday I started, but Crowley took a nap, and that nap was more than 2 hours long, and here it gets dark early, so we waited till today in the morning. So we're gonna decorate the Christmas tree and just set everything up and get ready.